a short video. I wanted to do this last time. The light came on the dashboard, but I missed it, and it goes off apparently. So today we're going to be showing you how to reset the maintenance required light on the dashboard on a 2002 Honda Insight. This is not the check engine light. The check engine light means something's wrong. The maintenance required light means change your oil, check your tires. It comes on after every, so many miles, just to remind you to go to the shop. There's a third light, which is the IMA light, which is the hybrid battery charging indicator. If that comes on, you got trouble. But there's three different lights. Again, the check engine light means something's wrong. The maintenance required is just a reminder to go get your oil changed. And the IMA light is the one that says your battery system isn't charging properly. So when I turned my car on, the maintenance required light actually, started to come on a little while ago and started blinking, and then it went off. And the manual actually states 6,000 miles, the indicator blinks. If you exceed 7,500, the indicator stays on, and that's where we are right now. Okay, so the instructions for actually doing this are in the manual. Turn off your engine, press and hold the trip button, then turn the ignition switch on, hold it for 10 seconds. Sounds easy if you have two hands. If you don't and you're holding the camera, yeah, this isn't, let's see if I can do this. So, got my keys in. We're gonna press and hold trip button. Turn the key to on. We're gonna wait a few seconds here. Light went out. Okay, so I can turn the car off. Sorry about the flash. It's saying it's turning the flash off automatically. So let's turn it back on. No warning light, so that's good. It's been bugging me for, 200 miles now. I think it goes off after a little while, because the last time I hit 7,500, I didn't reset it, meaning to make this video, and I didn't get around to it, and it disappeared. So this is the time I'm making it. Also hit 200,000 miles, and I bumped it up to 50.5 miles a gallon. This is a CVT, so that's not too bad. I am getting around to where I have to actually change the oil, though. And probably the CVT fluid, I'm getting a little bit of judder, so I may make some videos on that, I'm not sure. But that's an easy way to set your light indicator, because I forget every single time I have to do it. But it's in the manual, so go ahead and try it out if you need to. It's just a warning light. It has there's nothing bad. It's just go spend some money at the dealer. So hopefully this is informative. I will see you next time.